We've all been there. You print something, but the printer stops working, and there's a paper jam error on the control panel. There is a simple series of steps you can follow to fix the jam, clear the error, and continue printing. Paper jammed in the paper path causes most paper jam errors and can manually be removed or removed automatically by the printer. On the printer control panel, touch OK to attempt to clear the jam automatically. If you still see the error, clear the jam manually. While the printer is powered on, disconnect the power cord and any other cables from the printer to avoid damaging it. The areas where jams are likely to occur are the input tray, the bottom, which can be accessed by holding the scanner lid and turning the printer on its side, and ink cartridge access area. This includes under the paper path cover. Put the paper path cover back into the printer. If you find jammed paper in the ink cartridge access area, move the carriage all the way to one side, then to the other side to make sure no paper remains jammed in the printer. Plug in the power cord and any other previously disconnected cables. Try to print your document. If the paper jam continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.